about the John Doe order, what exactly it is. Now, this is like a order 7 rule 1 actually. So, cease and desist, John Doe orders are a cease and desist order. These are passed by courts against an anonymous entity, right. So, what happens that here for particular case, suppose what happens that pirated copies are there, right. In scenario what happens that plaintiff identify that party is not known, and here court can determine that defendant is a real person or entity who could be like sued in a court actually. So, anonymous party is there. Now, here what happened in earlier case, you know that there is a this particular entity, this particular person, individual, whosoever is there, they have infringed your rights. So, you are like aware about that. You know the exactly who is doing the infringement. That is the scenario. That is the Anton Pillar order. Okay. Now, here in this John Doe order, what is happening is like that you don't know who will copy that. So,